Well, thanks for visiting the 4th of July Americana and Fireworks Museum. And by the way, I have some fireworks here for you. This is a box of torpedoes from the Unexcelled Fireworks Company. These were called Cock of the Walk brand torpedoes. They were about that big, so I thought you might like some of those. And I'm also going to give you a few of our smaller salutes, a 4 and a 5-inch blockbuster. And let's see here. How about some double Stork brand firecrackers? Package of American Beauty sparklers. A pellet cane. And let's see. A handful of 2-inch salutes.